On this video, we're going to show how to put a front feet assembly on a raw solvent laminator. When you receive your kit, you'll receive a crate that looks similar to this. What you will need is a pair of scissors and a socket set with an 8mm or 5/16 socket. What you're going to do is remove the strapping. On the ends you'll have some screws to remove. And a hinge here to unlatch. Inside, you'll find a set of 3-inch auto grips, a shaft bar, 8 screws, and your 2 brackets. I'm going to remove the packaging off your brackets. And you need to identify which is your left and your right bracket. Your right side will have the tensioning knob similar to what you have on the side of your laminator. And this will identify the right-hand side. Our next step is to remove our feed table. And we're going to remove the bottom supply shaft from our laminator. Next, we'll need a set of Allen wrenches, either metric or English. We will take our bracket, our Allen wrenches, and our screws. You'll need 4 for each side. Your screws will come in with lock washers. Position the lock washer. On the side of your laminator, you'll have a set of openings for screws. You want to line up your bracket to those holes and insert the screws. I'm going to take our Allen wrench, tighten up on our brackets. And now proceed to the other side. Again, you'll have a series of holes to line your bracket up with. Screws in. Now the next step is to take out our auto grips and the shaft bar out of the packaging. Position our auto grips on the shaft. These will be needed to be tightened down. We'll add this to the front of our laminator by inserting the right side into the hex and dropping the bar down. Now we'll replace our bottom supply shaft. And finally our feed table, making sure that the table engages the micro switch on the side of the laminator. All we need to do now is tighten down our auto grips. And our assembly is completed.